Here on the train, guys. Here on the train. Where the Christian Foster Road on the train. Look at that. That's a green light. Here it comes. There's a crossing where the Belgian Foster Road crossing near Belleville, Tennessee. Here comes the train. This is just after the big train trip we had in Cleoka and Linville. This is the night afterwards. How lucky. Kind of creepy out here, not gonna lie. Yeah, kind of creepy out here. Let's go, train. Let's go. Another one. This will be our second train of the day. There it is. Oh, it's like, sorry if I shiver a lot in this video. It's currently 46 degrees right now, currently. So, sorry if I shiver a lot. Because that's pretty cold. Make sure no coyotes are around. Oh, this is a slow-moving train too. I can tell how slow-moving it is. Here's a look at the crossing. Is that a train? It kind of sounds like a train. Yeah, I think it's a train. At first, it sounded like one at first. Well, is that a train? That could be something else. I don't think it's a train, guys. Oh, okay, there's one. Okay, it looked weird for a second there. It sounded weird. There it goes. Straight heading towards Stevenson. Turn the car lights on, turn it on. Yeah. There you go, much better. Ah, a big spider web on me right now, huh? There's the end. No DPUs in this one. There you go. Peace out, guys.